Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Classic single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker delivers a reliable and efficient brewing experience suitable for a broad audience. With its sleek black exterior and compact dimensions of 9.8 by 13H, it seamlessly fits into various kitchen spaces without taking up too much counter space. This coffee maker boasts a fully automatic operation, making it incredibly easy to use. The programmable features allow users to brew coffee at their convenience, while the removable water tank simplifies refilling and cleaning processes. The auto-clean function is particularly useful for maintenance, ensuring that the machine stays in optimal condition with minimal effort. Designed for versatility, the K-Classic can brew a